In today's ever-changing financial landscape, real estate remains one of the most stable and profitable investment opportunities. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can build wealth and secure your financial future through property investments. In this video, we will delve into the best ways to invest in real estate, providing you with expert insights and actionable advice to help you make informed decisions. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete beginner, our in-depth analysis and expert tips will give you the confidence and know-how to navigate the real estate market and achieve your investment goals. Don't miss this opportunity to learn from the best and unlock the potential of real estate investing. I am not a financial advisor. These videos are for educational purposes only. Investing of any kind involves risk. While it is possible to minimize risk, your investments are solely your responsibility. It is imperative that you conduct your own research. I am merely sharing my opinion with no guarantee of gains or losses on investments. As we dive into the world of real estate investments, it's crucial to understand the different types of properties you can invest in. Broadly, there are three main categories: residential, commercial, and industrial properties. Residential properties are where people live, such as single-family homes, apartments, condos, and townhouses. These investments tend to be more accessible for beginners and can offer consistent rental income. Plus, people always need a place to live, so demand remains relatively stable. Commercial properties include office buildings, retail spaces, and shopping centers. These investments can generate higher returns, but they usually require more capital upfront and can be affected by economic fluctuations. However, with the right tenants, commercial properties can provide long-term, stable income through leases. Industrial properties, such as warehouses, factories, and distribution centers, cater to businesses involved in manufacturing, storage, and logistics. These investments can be highly profitable, especially with the rise of e-commerce, but they may require a deeper understanding of the industry and higher initial investments. By grasping the distinctions between these property types, you'll be better equipped to make informed decisions and find the right investment for your goals. Each type offers unique advantages and challenges, but understanding their nuances is the key to unlocking their potential. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into each category and provide expert tips on how to succeed in real estate investing. Now that we've covered the different types of real estate investments, let's dive into the exciting world of investment strategies. Three popular approaches are flipping, buy and hold, and rental properties. Flipping involves buying properties at a low price, renovating them, and selling them for a profit. This strategy can yield quick returns, but it requires a keen eye for undervalued properties and the ability to manage renovations effectively. Buy and hold is a long-term strategy where you purchase a property and hold onto it, hoping it appreciates in value over time. This approach is excellent for building long-term wealth and taking advantage of market cycles. Rental properties involve purchasing properties and renting them out to generate consistent income. This strategy can provide a steady cash flow and potential long-term appreciation, but it requires effective property management skills. Each of these strategies offers unique benefits and challenges, but they all have the potential to generate significant wealth in the real estate market. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each approach, providing valuable insights and expert advice to help you find the right investment strategy for your financial goals. And now, before we continue, please support our channel by subscribing and liking if you want to get more information about crypto, stocks, and the financial world. As we continue our journey through real estate investing, it's time to discuss the critical role of location and market research. You've probably heard the saying, location, location, location. This phrase holds true, as the right location can make or break an investment. Thorough market research helps identify areas with strong growth potential, good infrastructure, and access to amenities. Look for neighborhoods with increasing property values, low vacancy rates, and promising development plans. Conducting proper market research enables you to find profitable investment opportunities and avoid costly mistakes. So, don't miss our next segment, where we'll share tips on how to conduct effective research and uncover hidden gems in the real estate market. In the world of real estate investing, one of the most powerful tools at your disposal is leveraging financing options, such as mortgages and hard money loans. These options allow you to invest in properties without having to pay the full purchase price up front. Mortgages are the most common financing method, where a bank or financial institution lends you money to buy a property, and you pay it back over time with interest. With a well-structured mortgage, the rental income from your property can cover the loan payments, making it a sustainable investment. Hard money loans are another option, primarily used for short-term investments, like flipping properties. These loans are secured by the property itself and typically have higher interest rates but faster approval processes. By leveraging financing options, you can maximize your investment potential and minimize the capital you need to get started. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll dive deeper into financing strategies, tips, and best practices to help you get the most out of your real estate investments. To succeed in real estate investing, especially with rental properties, mastering the art of property management is essential. Effective property management allows you to maximize rental income, minimize expenses, and keep your tenants happy. First, you need to find reliable, long-term tenants by thoroughly screening applicants and checking their background, credit, and references. Remember, quality tenants are the foundation of a successful rental property investment. Next, focus on maintaining and improving your property to keep it in excellent condition. Regular maintenance not only attracts and retains tenants but also helps prevent costly repairs in the future. Lastly, be proactive in addressing tenants' concerns and fostering a positive relationship with them. Happy tenants are more likely to pay rent on time, care for the property, and stay longer. Stay tuned as we explore more tips and best practices for property management, ensuring your real estate investments continue to thrive and generate a healthy return. Understanding the tax implications and benefits of real estate investments is crucial to optimizing your returns. Real estate investing can offer several tax advantages, which, when leveraged effectively, can make a significant difference in your overall profitability. One of the primary tax benefits is depreciation, which allows you to deduct a portion of the property's cost over several years, reducing your taxable income. Additionally, mortgage interest and property taxes are often deductible expenses, further lowering your tax liability. Another advantage is the 1031 exchange, a provision that enables investors to defer capital gains taxes by reinvesting the proceeds from a sold property into a similar property within a specified time frame. Finally, when you sell a property, long-term capital gains tax rates are generally lower than ordinary income tax rates, potentially saving you money on your investment profits. To maximize these tax benefits and ensure you're in full compliance with tax laws, it's essential to consult with a tax professional. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll explore more in-depth strategies to make the most of the tax advantages real estate investments offer. In today's competitive real estate market, utilizing technology and networking is key to finding the best deals and staying ahead of the competition. There are numerous tools and platforms available that can help you streamline your investment process and uncover hidden opportunities. Leverage online property listing websites, real estate investment apps, and data-driven platforms to identify potential deals and analyze their profitability. These resources can provide valuable insights into market trends, property valuations, and investment potential. Networking is equally important in the real estate world. Attend local investor meetups, join online communities, and engage with industry professionals to build your network. By connecting with experienced investors, real estate agents, and other professionals, you'll gain access to valuable insights and off-market opportunities. In conclusion, real estate investing offers a wealth of opportunities for building wealth and achieving financial independence. By understanding the various types of properties, exploring different investment strategies, mastering property management, and leveraging technology and networking, you'll be well on your way to success in the real estate world. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope you found this information valuable and are excited to put your newfound knowledge into action. We can't wait to see you in our next video, where we'll continue to provide expert insights and tips to help you excel in your real estate investing journey. Until then, happy investing!